This video is going to be a short one, but will definitely have an immense impact. We hear a lot about hitting the right arousal spot, especially by touching, but what we fail and ignore most times is the easiest way to hit that arousal spot and create a memorable experience every single time. So, if you're looking for a new way to get things bubbling in the bedroom, why not start by applying what I share in this video? These sneaky technique would work magic even if your partner seems uninterested or if your sexual life has gone downhill. The good thing is, whether you have been committed for a while or just started dating, these racy questions can help encourage the two of you to explore new territories and give you the kind of pleasure you so desire. Here are a few fun questions to get you two started. You may decide to ask in the same sequence or alternate them, whichever one pleases you. But I must warn you, you have to be willing and ready to go all the way, because these questions works like a charm. To trigger a flow, start out the conversation with these first set of questions. By the way, when asking, add some sexual gestures to it. Don't be outright and straightforward. Got that, right? To trigger a flow, start out the conversation with these first set of questions. Have you ever bragged to your friends about me? When your partner is done answering, make sure to compliment their answer by making reference to a good time you both spent together, irrespective of the answer given by your partner. Because chances are, they may not give you the answer you were expecting. The next thing you should say is, "That reminds me of a movie I saw earlier this week," then go ahead to describe an intimate scene in the movie. The movie could be an actual movie or made up in your head, it doesn't matter. Then ask, is there a love scene from a movie you'd like to recreate? What's your favorite position? Where is your favorite place to be touched? Or where do you like being touched the most? After you have gotten an answer, then make effort to demonstrate it. For example, if your partner say, "I like being caressed by my neck," you should go ahead to caress them on the neck. Endeavor to give your own answer also. Do so by showing, don't only tell. Grab each other's hands and guide them to your sensitive spots. A follow-up question to the previous one should be, "What part of my body do you like touching the most?" Or, "What's your favorite part of my body?" Do you have a favorite part of foreplay? What unexpected thing or things turns you on? You would be amazed the weird things that turn people on. It could be a certain hairstyle, or facial expression, or even something awkward. What's your favorite thing about being on top? Also, what's your favorite thing about being on the bottom? Where would you love to have sex? It could be in the car, clothing store, dressing room, parking lot, or elevator, the list goes on. You could keep a list of the ones you'd like to cross off together. What kind of talk do you like in bed or during sex? What turns you on most during sex? Where is the strangest place you've ever had sex? What is the craziest thing you've ever done? What is a fantasy you've never shared with anyone? These next set of questions should probably come last, because they are the stroke that sets off a roller coaster of memorable and pleasurable experiences. What do you like the most that I do when we have sex? Take this up a notch by having your partner demonstrate it rather than say it. What exactly does an orgasm feel like to you? What's the longest orgasm you have ever had? Finally, how does it make you feel when I orgasm? Do you and your partner ever ask each other these stimulating questions to get in the mood? If not, you should try it out tonight. Use them to create unforgettable memories over and over again. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. Also check out our sexual wellness playlist in the description. Until tomorrow when I release another valuable video, I remain your host, Master Panda.